What's up, seniors? Welcome to Spring Break Week 4. Today I'm doing my first screencast-o-matic. Try to show you how we're going to run this class for the next few weeks, hopefully just the next few weeks anyway. So what you should be looking at here, aside from my stupid face in the corner, which I don't know how to make go away, is you're looking at your Schoology page here. You got a picture of Red and Andy from the Shawshank Redemption. We're going to get to that a little bit later on. We're going to start with something called the Maltese Falcon, but let me just first show you what we're up to. So you're on the Schoology page, right? And there will be this link at the top that says, what do I do today? And every day I'm going to update that. So then when you click on it, you get your little agenda that's in a Google Doc. So I'll keep updating that as we go along, all right? So that's simple enough right there. This one has already got Monday, March 30th all laid out for you. That's our first day. We're a day one class. All right. The Maltese Falcon, that's the only folder that you're going to need to worry about right now. When you click on it and open it, you're going to find in there at the top the book that we're going to be reading, the entire reading schedule if you want to have a look at that, a general questions forum for any kind of questions you have about the class, the book, whatever's on your mind. All right, some Maltese Falcon movie clips. It's a really old movie. It's like 90 years old. Ask your great-grandparents about it. Probably one of their favorites. Don't get too close to them when you ask. You know, maybe FaceTime if they can do that. And then what you'll see is all of the folders in here are labeled for each day that we have class. So Monday, March 30th, Wednesday, April 1st, Friday, April 3rd. You get the idea there, right? So when you click on this, you'll go into that date, and everything except for the book, which I already showed you, that you need for that day is in there. So Monday, you're going to read this little thing called Hard-Boiled Novel Characteristics, and then you're going to take the Hard-Boiled Novel Characteristics quiz. And it's really important that you do, because A, it's one of your grades, and B, it's how I take attendance. So you've got to get this thing done by 2 o'clock. Get it done by 2, and we count you as in class for attendance that day. And then each day after that, it'll be a little bit more kind of structured in a way that it's the same kind of every day. You're going to take a quiz on the reading that you did the previous time. So Monday, you're going to read chapters 1 and 2. On Wednesday, April 1st, the first thing you're going to do is take the chapters 1 and 2 quiz. That's going to be how we take attendance, and that's going to be 10 points towards your grade. Then you're going to read chapters 3 and 4, and you're going to come back to this folder, and there will be a daily writing assignment. Nothing big, just something to keep you a little bit honest, all right? On the days that we don't have school, I will be having office hours. Basically, I'll be having office hours all the time. So if you ever have any questions or anything like that, shoot me an email, message me on this whole Schoology thing, and we'll get your answers ready for you, all right? So let your friends know, let your classmates know. This is how we're going to be doing things. We start tomorrow. That's Monday. I'll put this up here tonight on Sunday if I figure out how to stop this stupid video. And I hope you're all doing well. Look, take care of each other by staying away from each other, and we'll get you this diploma. We'll see you soon.